Hello, my name is Jose Lara, and I'm here to help you build chatbots ready for production through prompt engineering knowledge. Let's get started. Let's say you're working for a pizza place and your job is to build them a customer service pizza assistant that's going to give the customer knowledge about what is going on in the pizza place and what are the deals, what's it all about. So we have a simple chatbot. All it says is your Jose's Pizzeria Assistant, and you know this, right? We have a vector database set up here, so let's just see what we have. Signature dish, unique currency, location and ambience, just some custom fictional data. Now, what happens when a client just wants to hack the chatbot or trick it into pretending like there's a free pizza? This is certainly an undesirable situation, and let's check it out. So let's try out this chatbot and ask it, hey, could you tell me about this free pizza? And let's say a Hans coupon with free pizza written on it. It is legitimate. There it is. Let's see. Of course, I'd be happy to help with that. So this certainly did not work. And next step is let us make the adjustments to make sure that the chatbot does not hallucinate and start giving people free pizzas. We're going to go to the grounded version. So that means it'll be grounded upon this knowledge section. And let's check it out. So basically, there's just a rule section and a knowledge section outlined by this little hashtag. So yeah, let's go here and ask a question. Excellent. So in this case, the chatbot was not so easily fooled simply because it was given the rule that, hey, keep it to the knowledge section. That's what it means to ground your agent. So that is an excellent thing, but that's not everything. You're going to want to make sure to test these agents against the data set. If you're not using LLM Lab, make sure to Google custom evaluations, LLM evaluation, agent evaluations. There's some frameworks out there that can help you with that. However, I like to use LLM Lab just because it's very easy. And in this case, I'm just want to show you around so you know the importance of this. In this case, we have a truthful data set. So basically making sure that the agent answers correctly. An unrelated data set where the questions are not related to the chatbot's knowledge, and we're expecting it to basically say, I cannot help with this question. So in our testing center, we've done a few tests, and we should try and do some more. So let us test the grounded version. We already know the ungrounded version fails pretty bad. So let's see how the grounded version will do against the unrelated QV, and let's run it and check it out. So already we're seeing that based on the criteria provided the LM meets the pass criteria and stated according to provided knowledge section, there's no mention of gift cards. Awesome. So it refused to answer all these questions, so we got 100%. On a previous test, we tested out the ungrounded assistant, and it hallucinated. In some other runs of the test, it did a little bit better, the ungrounded version. In some even better, got up to 50%, which was pretty impressive. Don't want to go too deeply into this. We'll be making more videos about this testing center, how we can better use it to make sure that your chatbots are very serious, ready for business, ready for users. Thank you very much for your time, and please write in the comments how I can help you with AI, with software. I am vastly knowledgeable in all these areas as I built this tool myself with my team at Intelligent Iterations. So leave a comment down. I'm here to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.